visiting with Dr. Astrid Compton at Merit Health Medical Group. It's allergy season. You're a pediatrician here at the clinic, and let's talk about allergies and young folks.
So right now, since the winter was very mild, we're coming into the springtime, and we are starting to see some allergy symptoms with a lot of the little ones, just because, again, all that pollen is going around the grass for them to come about in contact with.
So many different kinds of pollens that are airborne. If I can smell it, I'm usually allergic to it, and I know that's the case for a lot of people. We talk about seasonal allergies. We hear that a lot. So this is one season. How does that progress through the year?
So usually spring is your worst time for seasonal allergies. People start having symptoms around the time that weather starts to change. It doesn't have to be particularly warmer, but just those weather changes, you start seeing the symptoms. And that's when all of that scratchy throat, runny nose starts coming about.
So if your child comes in with a runny nose and watery eyes, how do you know that it's allergy and not just a cold?
That's actually a good question, and that's what a lot of moms usually ask. I always think of anything that itches is most likely an allergy if it comes along with that runny nose and those watery eyes. If you have a scratchy throat, itchy eyes, then you would think that that's more of an allergy.
There's so many treatments over the counter and whatnot. How does somebody know when they need to come in and see you about a specific treatment?
Usually for allergies, I always tell people it's better for us to examine and then go about and doing treatment rather than just giving over the counter. And that way we can kind of keep track of what medications we've used before.
That way you know that you're doing the right thing. If somebody wants to make an appointment with you, how do they do it online?
You can do it online. You can go to wesleyprimarycare.com to schedule the appointment.